Hello again to another tool. Today we're gonna talk about Yaara. Yaara is like many tools nowadays that are related to AI. Uh, Yaara is also so it's on the website. You can see the future of writing finally here. They use AI to write proven eye converting copy for increased conversion and higher ROI. Uh, This is not a free version. There's a starter, growth, or advanced. So the cheapest you can get is $7.99 per month. It has already plenty tools, and but if, if you are considering something more, they have more more expensive subscription. And I can show you something. I'm using now the trial version just to make this video. They have a lot of tools that you can use, tools that they from them. So, for example, this is the IDA framework for the email. You can create here the product name, and you can give here some description, and then you choose a tone, and you create here the generate AI content, and it creates for you. Uh, there's plenty other tools you can choose among them. Now it doesn't go, but here it goes. So you can go from advertising, blog, e-commerce, email, marketing, social media. Let's see what they have in websites. You can create a call to action, moto generator, for example. These are the tools. There's documents that actually the documents are. There's templates. That's what I want to show you. Templates. It's what it is. It's templates that you can use in your projects or whatever you want. For example, the about us, so you can write what you're looking to create, and then, for example, company name, description, you write all the information that they require, you press here, and it should appear the information that you can then just copy paste to your website. They have these recipes, how they call it, that it's a step by step, basically, how to create something, and to create script for short videos, for example. You can press this is the step by step, and here it is the explanation, and then you can run the the recipe. Of course, that you can change then the text. It has a lot of information. It has a lot of content that you can use for yourself. And this is the dashboard. You can add a tool, so the tools that you more use. If you're serious about content, and if your team or product is somehow starting to get big, I think this is an option that you can consider. Like I said, they don't have the free version, so if you're looking for something more in something more free in the case, then you have to think another option. I'll give you the link in the comments. I hope you can take a look. Bye.